Hi everyone, welcome back and hello to everyone who's new here. I'm Radhika and in today's video we're going to be discussing all about salicylic acid. What is its benefit, how is it used in our daily skincare routine and who is it useful for? What is salicylic acid? Salicylic acid is beta hydroxy acid, BHA. It is oil soluble, that's why it penetrates deep into your pores. It helps to control the excessive oil and also loosen out the dead skin cell. It has an anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties as well. Salicylic acid helps to improve the skin appearance, reduce blemishes, also prevent breakouts and blackheads as well. So what type of skin is recommended to use salicylic acid? Well, it is suitable for all skin type, but it is more useful for people with oily skin, combination skin, or even sensitive skin can use it. The rest others can add it in their skincare according to the need, because salicylic acid, as I said earlier, helps to unclog the pores, and everyone do have pores, and obviously at time it does get clogged because of the excess oil or because of the summer and because of the heat, and at times you need to give that exfoliating product into your skin also to keep your skin clear, and it gives more clarity to your skin, and it also helps other product to penetrate deeper into your skin. So this is a good product that you can add into your routine care. So which product do I recommend that you all can give it a try? And I think many of my viewers and many of my friends do know that I have an oily combination sensitive skin. I also have breakouts, and especially in this hot humid weather, I think it becomes very difficult to handle oily skin. And I do keep on looking and searching for a good product for my skincare, because not all products suit me very easily because of sometimes it becomes very sensitive. Due to this hot humid weather, my skin get inflamed and the pores look very enlarged. So I keep on searching for good product, and I keep on shifting and trying new products so that I can share with you all too. So recently I came across with this wonderful product, Neemli natural 2% salicylic acid, and I've been using this product for more than 3 weeks now, and I'm getting a great results. As I told you earlier that I do have a sensitive skin, so not all products suit me very easily, and I've been using this around 4 times a week, and it is only at night that I use this salicylic acid. After I wash my face, tone my face, then I apply this serum on all over my face. And for the first time people who are using this product, I recommend that they use a little lesser quantity. With time, build up the quantity as need, and also can start with like once a week or then twice a week to know how the skin is reacting. I have now increased to 4 times a week, and make sure next morning that you apply the sunscreen properly, because it is an exfoliating agent, so it does peel your skin softly. So make sure to prevent from any kind of photosensitivity. So do apply sunscreen next day in the morning. So I hope you've all understood all about salicylic acid, the benefit, the usage, how to use and when to use. Any other queries or any other problem, you can put it up the comment box. I will surely reply and help you out with it. And anyone want to purchase Neemli natural 2% salicylic acid, they can check it out in the description box below. I will be sharing the link of the purchase. So before I end the video, I would like to say thank you to all for being here with me today, and please do like, comment and share in my videos. Until then, stay beautiful, feel beautiful. Bye.